Okay, when I'm in my class and I'm ready to invite some participants, there's a couple different ways you can do that. One is you can invite them as students by going to Users and Groups and clicking on Users. And you can say Invite New Users. And you can select the role that they'll play when they get access to your class, so they can be a student or an instructor. And when you're ready to invite your students, you'll click on Student, not Instructor, and you just put their email address in here. And you can put in the subject line, my course, and then it has an email invitation ready to go. And once you click submit, it will go to the student email address that you've entered here. But what we're going to do is ask you to open your course up to guests. And so to do that, you do not go to Users and Groups. Instead, you go to Customization. So I'm going to want this to be very clear for you. To invite your instructors and other people to your class, you're going to click on this link, Customization. And you're going to say Guest and Observer Access. Okay, so now here we are, Customization, Guest and Observer Access, and I'm going to say yes to allow guest access and yes to allow observer access. Okay, and you click Submit to proceed. Okay, once you've made your course open to guests and observers, we have to make sure that our links are available to guests, and we go to our links. And we have to, for each of our links, we have to say permit guests and permit observers. All right. So for each link, we hover over it. Remember that pull down where we had an option of deleting that link? Well, we also now have the option of permitting guests and permitting observers. And we're going to do that with each of our links. Permit guests, permit observers, permit guests, and we're doing that for all of our links so that our guests can see all of our content. And once you've done that, they will have access as soon as you give them the link to your course. So we've just finished with Customization, Guest and Observer Access, and now finally we go to Packages and Utilities, and we want to publish that to guests and observers, and we click Publish, Open, Resource. And your link to your website is right here. There's that URL right there. Your next step is to send that URL to your instructors, Dr. Warren and to Mr. Avinash. Thank you.